Hey guys, what's up? This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to teach you how to make up to $350 a day just by typing names. That's right, guys, you can stay in the comfort of your own home and make this kind of money with just an internet connection in a mobile device or a computer. So if you want to find out how to do this, stay tuned. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. So a lot of people stay at home not knowing that they can make money with just an internet connection and a computer. But did you know that you can earn cash just by typing names? Here's the best part. This strategy is completely free and you can do it from anywhere in the world. So let's get to it. The internet is such a powerful place. I mean, you can literally earn this amount of money just by typing names. In fact, let me discuss today what your earning potential is. Did you know that you can earn up to $15 just by typing one page? How about if I told you that you can earn about $75 by typing 5 pages or $300 to type 20 pages? Awesome, right? And you don't have to pay anything to get started. You just need a mobile device or a laptop and an internet connection. So today I'm going to discuss the specific steps you can take to utilize this strategy. The first thing I want you to do is to go to talentdesire.com. Now this site's slogan is "Your dream career starts now." The homepage has another slogan, which is "Work with popular brands and earn money online from home without investing a dime." So below those slogans, you're going to see a button that says "Get Started." I want you to click on that. This is absolutely free. When you scroll, you can see that they offer a lot of jobs from transcriptions, the paid service, translation, and etc. You can earn up to $5 to $100 a day from this website doing various jobs. In fact, you can even earn up to $2,000 a month on this site. And although there are various niches on this site, today I'm going to focus on online typing jobs. So with these kinds of jobs, you can earn about $45 to $90 or more per day, and eventually, as your skills and experiences grow, so will your income. What I wanted to do is to click on this "Read More" button on this post to read more about the job description. So as you can see, for this gig, you can earn about $13,500 to $27,000 per year, and registration is absolutely free. So payments for these jobs depends on the skill level that you're in. For example, beginners can earn around $3 for 300 words, and intermediates can earn $3.60 for 300 words. And advanced people can earn around $6 for the same amount of words as well. So this is it, guys. Today what we're going to do is we will be showing you a trick so that you can earn the same amount of money that the people in the expert level earn on this website. Now what I want to do is to go to ratatype.com. Once you get to the site, you can take free typing tests. You can start the typing test using your phone or your computer. You know, guys, what's great about this website is that they give a free online certificate which would be helpful for you in the long run. As you type, you can see your performance via the speed calculator and the accuracy. So while you're doing the test, you can see a speed calculator on the side which tells you how fast you're typing. And then you also have an accuracy calculator which shows how accurate you are in your work. Now this is very important. Your accuracy should be between 98% to 99.99%. If your accuracy is below 98%, your work on talentdesire.com will be returned and payments will be held until you can resubmit your work. And anyway, if you get a low score in the typing test, you can always retake it until you get your desired score, so no worries. Now when you're done with that test, what I want you to do is to sign up for an account and the site with your email or Facebook account. So go ahead and do that. Then fill in all of the necessary details. Once you're done with that and you log in, you're going to see their certificate as well as your results. Once you view the certificate, you have the option to print it, but you don't have to print the certificate. You can just save it as a PDF file on your device. So go on ahead and just save it. Once you get your certificate, you can now apply for the typing job at talentdesire.com. So the next step is to apply for the job at talentdesire.com. Go back to the site and click on the apply button on the bottom of the screen. So once the page has loaded, go on and click on the "At that point, select an application form" button. Now look for the "Fill in your details to apply and work with us" page and fill up the necessary information. In the preferred job title field, type Professional Data Entry Specialist. Now what I want you guys to do is to select your desired time to work. If you ask me, this is a really cool feature of the website itself because it acknowledges how people have different working times. Some people could be morning folk, and some people are night owls, or some people are just available at certain times. As I was saying, go ahead and select your desired time to work. You can select all day to give you more job opportunities. After this, choose your desired payment method. Personally, I chose PayPal, and in the current professional status, you can put freelancer. Then just do the routine things on websites like agree with their policies and put your signature on the bottom part of the page. Click the "I'm not a robot" box and then submit. And that's it. Once your application has been approved, you can now receive typing name projects, and from there you can start earning $15 per page, and all you need are 300 words. And the best part is, take note that one name is to one word. So basically, all you need are 300 names to make money online. So that's it, guys. That's how you can earn up to $350 per day just by typing names. I hope this video is a big help to you guys. This channel is dedicated to bringing you more and more ideas on how you can grow your side hustles and build the life you want. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you soon.